Remember when power tools were actually powerful? WEN's 10-inch swing drill press with laser centering device is a powerhouse for your shop. Packed with features that you'll find in larger, more industrial-type drill presses, you can power through metal, wood, and other materials with ease. Change from 5 speeds to target the exact RPM right for your project: 600, 1100, 1700, 2400, 3100 RPM. Rigid frame construction of cast iron provides sturdiness and reliability. Its powerful induction motor features ball bearings for extended life, all combining together with smooth and balanced performance at any speed. The 1/2 inch chuck with JT33 spindle taper gives you versatility with a variety of bits. Worktable bevels 45 degrees left and right for those tricky operations for the perfect right angles consistently. The base has pre-drilled holes for mounting onto a bench or workstand. The X-Pattern Class 2 1 mW laser locks onto your drill points, saving on guesswork and sparing expensive materials. A very versatile and valuable tool for any shop, especially when you expand its range of use with optional accessories such as mortising attachment, drum sanders, circle cutters, etc. Since 1951, WEN has proudly produced innovative powered tools focused on value, delivering meaningful features that will help you complete and enjoy the work as much as the project. Remember when you could drill holes with laser precision? Remember WEN. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Includes drill press, Class 2 1 mW laser, 1/2 inch keyed chuck and key, tools for assembly. Number 2. Adjust between 5 speeds from 600 to 3100 RPM. Number 3. Spindle travel of 2.5 inches with easy to read, locking linear depth stop for accurate and repeatable drilling operations. Number 4. A durable 3.2 amp motor provides ample torque and power. Number 5. 7 5/8 by 7 5/8 inches cast iron worktable features rack and pinion height adjustment and bevels up to 45 degrees left and right. Number 6. Precision laser. The laser light specifies the exact spot that the bit will travel through for maximum precision during drilling. Number 7. Depth adjustment gauge. Set the depth adjustment lever to limit your spindle travel for accurate and repeatable drilling operations. Number 8. Beveling Worktable. Bevel the worktable 45 degrees left and right to ensure precise angled drilling. Number 9. Onboard work light. Illuminate your workpiece with the onboard work light for maximum visibility and precision. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.